Good morning, grade 5. Welcome back to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So we have been learning how to find out the area of a rectangle and square. Today, let's learn how we can find out the area of a triangle. So before that, do you see this rectangle here? Rectangle ABCD. We have already learned how to find out the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to L into B, or that is equal to length into breadth. Now, I'm going to cut this rectangle along one of its diagonals. So, I'm going to cut it this way. And do you see two triangles now? Here one and here one. So, we know the area of this whole rectangle is equal to its length into breadth. So, can you say what would be the area of each of these triangles? See, these two triangles are equal, right? So, the area of one of the triangles will be equal to half the area of this rectangle, right? So, we can say the area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and hence the area of a triangle like this will be equal to half the area of the rectangle. Now, let's make it more clear with a few examples. In the given figure, find the area of the triangle if area of each small square is 1 square centimeter. So, we have already learned how to find out the area of a figure using a square grid, which has unit squares. Here, you can see a grid, a square grid. Each of these small squares that you see here has an area equal to 1 square centimeter, which means each square has a side of 1 centimeter. So here it will be 1 centimeter this way, and here also it will be 1 centimeter this way. So how can we find out the area of this rectangle? You have to count the number of unit squares. So this is 1 centimeter. So the whole length of the rectangle will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this rectangle has a length of 7 centimeter. Now what about the breadth? So 1 square is 1 centimeter. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares means 4 centimeter. So the breadth of this rectangle is equal to 4 centimeter. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the area of the triangle. You can see two triangles here. The area of one of the triangles will be half the area of the rectangle. So now that we know the length and breadth, we can find out the area of the rectangle. Area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 7 into 4. What is it? It is 28. And the area of the triangle will be half of 28, which will be 14 square centimeter. Let's see the steps. The area of the triangle is equal to half the or 1 by 2 into area of the rectangle. So you have to make a note of this formula in your notebook and make sure you know the formula. And every time you are doing a question, make sure you write the formula there. So the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 7 into 4, that is 28 square units. And hence the area of the triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into 28 square units. That is 28 by 2 equal to 14 square units. So I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll see one more question. In the given figure, find the area of the triangle if area of each small square is 1 centimeter, 1 square centimeter. So first let's find out the length and breadth of this whole rectangle. So count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the length is 6 centimeter. And what about the breadth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. So what would be the area of this rectangle? It will be length into breadth, or 6 into 5, which is equal to 30. Now the area of the triangle will be half of the area of rectangle, which is equal to 30 divided by 2. Let's write the steps first. Area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into area of the rectangle, and hence area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that is 6 into 5 is equal to 30 square units. Now and hence the area of the triangle will be equal to 1 by 2 into 30 is equal to 30 by 2, and that is equal to 15 square units. So the area of the triangle, one of the triangles, is equal to 15 square units. I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to go through the topic area of a triangle in page number 145 and also 146 in your textbook. Then move on to exercise 9.3. You have to complete all the questions from exercise 9.3. You don't have to draw the figure in your notebook. You can count the squares from the textbook itself, put the question number, and you can write down the answer in your notebook. So once you are done with that, take a picture and send us to Teams. So that's all for today, children. Hope this was clear to you. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.